Hey guys, it's Carly with Builds by Carly, and today I'm taking you guys on a land search with me so I could show you how we find the best land for our tiny houses and tree houses. Let's go take a look. So here we are, and I could already tell that this lot has amazing views. This location is a perfect example where it can be difficult to figure out exactly where the land sits, and that could really affect buildability. So stay till the end, and I'll share with you my tips and tricks to get GPS to take me right to the land coordinates. This lot is also a prime example of why we always verify utilities. So this lot was listed as having public water. We called the utility department and it turns out there's no public water here. So that makes a big difference in cost since we're going to have to drill a well instead of having public water here. The next component that's crucial when we're looking at land is buildability. And that's another factor with this lot that is a little bit challenging. So you can see all the vegetation here. I mean, it's even up to my hip and it makes it rather hard to see the topography. So we've taken a little bit of a walk in here and we do know that everything slopes off drastically. Knowing that we don't have a lot of distance here and with the sloping off drastically, that tells us two things. We're going to end up using a wing wall to support our parking area. We're going to have roadside parking, but wing walls get pretty expensive, so we already know that's an added expense if we build at this location. Now, the other component with how steep it is going to affect our foundation. This lot is a good candidate for one of our treehouse foundations, but even so, with the drop-off that's here, we're going to have rather tall piers to make a treehouse work. Even with a killer mountain view like what we have here, we need to keep all of the factors in mind to decide if we want to move forward with putting in an offer on this land. Be sure to subscribe if you want to find out if we end up moving forward with one of our treehouse models here. But before you go, I owe you some insider tips. We'd love to know what you think about this hack and comment below if it's been helpful. In order to accurately locate land, I use two tools, the county's GIS map and Google Maps. So in the office earlier, I took a screenshot of the county's GIS map for this lot. I also looked up the closest nearby address and then put that in Google Maps. Now, here's where the ultimate hack comes in. There are no property lines here. Zoom in further, and then just far enough, and property lines have showed up. Most people don't know about this. Now, just to fact check, because Google is not a land locator, I always like to reference my screenshot from the county's website and make sure everything lines up. So I see the location of this house here, and it reflects on the GIS map. I'm looking at the boundaries of the lot. That also reflects on the county's GIS map. So all I had to do was drop myself a pin and let GPS take me here. We'd love to hear what you think about this hack and comment below if you've used it. For more tiny house facts, builder tips, and for full property tours, hit subscribe.